And here we are. And what happened today?
Happy New Year to all of you subscribers. You know what? This year, 2019, maybe something will happen for us, for you guys, and yeah, I think 2019.
Why?
Because I have noticed.
You had a epiphany today.
Yeah, well, we had an article in the BBC Capital about matpakke, and it was inspired by one of our old videos.
Old evergreen, actually.
Well, it's an evergreen. It's about Norway.
I didn't want to make it.
Yeah, you didn't want to make it at all.
What happened?
You hated it. No, but we made it, and suddenly it was a universal topic. And then
I was contacted.
yeah, Mads was contacted by this journalist from BBC Capital, Sarah Corvette.
Yeah.
Corvette. We
wrote
love
to
her.
us on
Yeah. Well,
Facebook.
anyway.
Yeah, and she asked for Mr. Sagaton's number.
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. Sagaton's
Mr. Sagaton.
number.
Yeah, whatever.
Now
Yeah.
it's all
Well,
of a sudden
anyway,
Mr.
you
Sagaton.
guys, I've seen that we have a lot of new subscribers.
Can you find that article?
No, yeah, well, we have a lot of new subscribers, and I just want to tell all of you, and of course everyone who has followed us, I know exactly who you are. You. In Brazil, in USA, in India, in all
Nepal.
over the world. All over the world. Sweden, Norway.
Have you forgotten
England,
country? Have you forgotten
Canada,
a country?
Canada,
Have you
we love
forgotten a
everything.
country?
Yeah.
If you've forgotten a country, say hello. Say
Yeah.
hello.
Oh no, yeah, and you have to. If I forgot something, you have to write down. And anyway, but
what happened
Mats,
today?
it's not going to be a long video.
No, but this is short. But what happened today was another two interviews.
Yeah,
It's
we
been
had an interview on Irish radio and from a Norwegian newspaper after the article from BBC Capital.
Because
and we are
Sarah
super
Corvette-
excited. And you guys who are new subscribers, we love that you are.
He's so high on himself right now. He's been
No,
interviewed 3 times.
I am high on you guys. I am high on you guys. Okay, so that was our New Year wish. See you later for a new video. Bye bye.
And then they do like this. And I have to. And I love you too. Goodbye.